by. Now we're going to head towards the car rental place. It's kind of late right now, but happy to be here. We're very exhausted. But we're just stocking up on liquids and some foods before we head out to our Airbnb because it's around 7 p.m. right now. What are you doing, sir? We're not eating tomahawk steak. Are you gonna grill? And then Pat's grabbing some poke to go. There's all the selection. They're way over there. It's kind of late right now, so we're just going to take what we can get. At our Airbnb, it's located in Kihei. We just got like a typical apartment. Pretty decent place. Yeah. Oh, it's like a walk-in shower. That's nice. I didn't expect that. And here is the closet area. That's the entrance. It has like automatic lock. There's a cute kitchen area where we can use to store and cook our food. Are you okay? Oh my god, okay, go lay down. And oh, there's like shade for privacy too. I'm gonna close that later. There's a queen size bed. And over there's the living room, dining room area. I'll do what y'all need to do. I'll be over here. Actually, this is pretty good for like changing. You know, if you need to like quickly change to like your bathing suit. So this is the living room area, TV, and we're on the first floor, so I don't think we get a view of anything. But yeah, let me just look. We have a little balcony outside. It's super dark right now. But yeah, this is our Airbnb in Maui, Hawaii, and it's a pretty decent place, especially if you don't want to like pay for a hotel. Yeah, the food we bought, we heated them up in the microwave, and there's a lot of chicken we got here, and some seafood as well. Some ready-made sushi and some spam. And down the side, we also bought some ramen, and we're heating that up in the microwave right now. So got the chan with some tomatoes in there. I'm super excited to try this out. Going to end the night by washing up, resting. It was just a lot of traveling. Honestly, we were so worried we weren't going to make our flight, but thankfully we did. So hooray to that. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning. It is day 2 in Maui, and we have a whole day full of things to do. Let's look at the view, everyone. Ooh, so we have like a little shared patio with the neighbors. It's a nice patio that people could go out and like relax a cup of coffee. But I ain't gonna do that. So I'm just going to heat up some food before we head out for the day and get ready. Then we'll be on the road.
One way, gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the.
We arrived at the ranch. We're just waiting for our appointment. But look at this view. Wow, look at it.
I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was unaware of our elevation till I looked down.
We're on our horses. I'm nervous. This baby is called Duke. And we're just waiting to go on our little trail. It's super hot today. I could feel the heat on the back. Oof.
Keep kicking, keep kicking. Kick, 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 kick. Well, it's not exactly how I did it, but it was pretty good.
Hey, there are more kittens under this car. 3 of them, baby. Hello. You let me pet you? I'm so friendly. Hello, buddy. Hi, you're the mommy, huh? Oh, you're so friendly. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Oh, you're so cute, cute, cute. Look at your kitten just chilling there. Hi. Hi. Oh. Hello. Try the patty. We changed and now we're going to head to the beach that's literally right next to our Airbnb. This girl has a whole chair on her back, looking like a little kid. And as usual, I got forced to participate and now I have to carry an umbrella. Yes. I was like, we don't need one, but someone insisted. Everything's all set up and ready to go. It's time to go swimming.
We've been up for way too long, but I don't wanna come down.
We are done getting ready, so we're going to head early to the Luau so we can find some parking. And it's still nice outside. Look at us, we're so cute. Right now we aren't.
Caught up in a long free fall, you got me.
How do you like Maui so far? We're having a really great time here. We love it here.
Snow back at home.
Yes.
The snow.
We've done a lot today and now we can finally relax. We're just going to kill an hour before the luau starts. Oh. Maui and we're going to do the road to Hana road trip and Pat is driving today.
Will be a good driver.
Yes. So
When you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night.
this is our first stop. A small waterfall that's trailing from the top right here. It's very beautiful. The water is like semi-cold, but not like super cold. Still good enough if anyone wants to go to the dip. And it's just a really scenic, small area. And there's like barely anyone here, so we get to enjoy this to ourselves. Look at her on her own adventure. We're here at the waterfall. There's not too many tourists yet, but it seems like everyone's just like taking photos. So I guess we'll just do that. And the water is a little bit cold, so we'll see if we can take a dip. We're done swimming. The water was like super cold. Now we're going to head back to we got a chili bowl for some snacks. Pat got some ice cream, coffee, and we got a paradise smoothie. This is our little snack before we move on to the next stop. Hello. We're walking through the bamboo alley.
When you're on my side, high up in the sky, cruising through the night, feeling my high, feeling my.
We got pineapple smoothie, some banana bread, and some Luau pork sandwiches to eat. We are done eating and halfway to Hana. I think we only did like 2 real stops because we stopped at the first stop, which is like the Twins waterfall, and then the Garden of Eden, and we made 2 other stops, but those are for food and just to take a break. You don't want to be stuck in the car for too long because this whole entire trip, if you don't stop, it's like 2 hours, but then it's not a trip that you're supposed to just keep going. You're supposed to kind of like enjoy the view, and yeah, be very careful when you're driving. There's a lot of one ways. We made it to Hana. We are going to take a break and enjoy the beach because it's been a long ride to get here. It's a super intense car ride, so if you ain't up for it, don't do it. Otherwise, if you have the patience, yeah, go for it. Your face is so white. Everywhere. I'm gonna be a ghost. I don't think I'm white as you. Mine? Like beach, yo.
Cheers, my friends.
Whoa, you took the whole cup. Oh, it's good. Yeah. Oh, he was definitely. I still want some taco. So we're here waiting for our order to finish. Tacos. So there are 6 steak tacos and 2 shrimp tacos. Enjoy. Cheers and good night. See you guys tomorrow.